Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. The purpose of this video is only for showing technical aspects and techniques. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 42,207 level on December 4, 2020. The weekly closing is above the projected weekly pivot level of 41,515 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 43,468 and 39,315 respectively. Technically, the index has closed above the high of the multi-week consolidation zone, and has the potential to test the overhead resistances. The TRG has closed at 72.57 level on December 4, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 67.44. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 85.56 and 64.88 respectively. Technically, the stock is now in the uncharted zone and has potential to reach new highs. The HUMNL network closed at 6.02 level on December 4, 2020. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 6.35. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 8.78 and 4.15 respectively. Technically, the stock is in declining phase now. The Unity Foods has closed at 27.23 level on December 4, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 26.28. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 30.49 and 24.59 respectively. Technically, the technical indicators are suggesting that the stock may opt for consolidation phase. The PRL closed at 20.13 level on December 4, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 19.21. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 23.49 and 16.64 respectively. Technically, the stock is in consolidation mode. The Maple Leaf Cement closed at 40.82 level on December 4, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 39.79. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 44.40 and 36.11 respectively. Technically, the stock is in sideways mode. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.